So let's explore this with an actual number sentence. Here I have subtractions, additions, multiplications, and so on. And I've got 3 to the power of 2 in the middle there, which is an order. And I've also got a bracket. So we can now explore how we use BODMAS step by step. First, we tackle the brackets. So in red here, I'll underline it and solve it. 2 times 2 is 4. Pretty straightforward so far. Next, we look at orders. Now, 3 to the power 2 is actually just 3 times 3. But the reason we have it in this as our second step here is just to let you be reminded that 3 to the power of 2 has its own identity. Okay, it exists as 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3. So it's just to remind you that, hey, don't start messing around with the 4 times that you can see in front of it, or the divide by, now it's a red 4, to the right of it. Let's now make sure we solve our 3 to the power of 2 first, because that is its own entity. So 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, now we can move on to our division or multiplication. And how do we know which one to tackle first? Well, we don't do it in order of D and then M or anything like that. We're just looking at all the division and multiplications, and we're solving them from left to right. So that left to right is crucial. So our third step is either or. We're looking at 4 times 3 to the power of 2, which is 4 times 9, and we solve that one first. We're not looking at the division section yet because it is to the right. We're going left to right. So 4 times 9 is 36. Now that we've solved that, we can move on to the next division or multiplication. In this case, it's a division. So now it's 36 divided by the 2 times 2, which we've already solved in the brackets. So it's 36 divided by 4. Okay, and then we solve this section. It gives us 9. So now we've got a number sentence that is 40, take away 9 plus 5. And we've only got addition or subtraction left, which we always do last, as our light blue step 4 here. And again, left to right is crucial. I'm not doing the plus 5 first because A comes before S in BODMAS. I'm doing 40 take away 9 first because it's left to right. So it's 40 take away 9, addition or subtraction. I'm looking at all of those, and of course that would give me 31. I still have my plus 5 over here. That's my final operation because it's furthest to the right and it's an addition subtraction, in this case being an addition. I add that 5 on as my final step. 31 plus 5 is 36. So you can see that is a really good example with all of the different things you might encounter in a number sentence and showing you how to step your way through. So the end result being that whole number sentence, the final answer is 36.